Guys, see me, I also got the X-Acto knife, flathead screwdriver. Here we go. This is the right one. And hey guys, welcome back to the video here. Justin's Motorsport on Rumble and on the YouTube platform. And today's video here is yeah, we're gonna replace the battery warmer plug that it all corroded up and everything. So yeah, I'll show you a DIY how to replace the plug on your block heater or battery warmer. There you guys see right here, that's the plug. You can see it's all taped up in that. Alright, you guys see me, I also got the X-Acto knife, flathead screwdriver, wire strippers, and cutters to cut the wire and all that. And then this is the classic Saskatchewan plug, a Prairie Province plug that everybody uses to replace their block heaters or battery warmers. So we'll start by that. There. So, as you can see here, this is all corroded up and stuff and broken here. I'll take some of this tape off for you guys to see. Yeah, so you can see it's all, I'll get the knife out. Oh, it's so cold. Yeah. I'll show you guys here. Yeah, so I'll show this later on the corroded here. So cut some of that, some of that. Okay. Yeah, this is what happens when you procrastinate, or not really procrastinate, but figure out that, yeah. There. Whew. It's cold out here. Alright, so I got the screw on here. Alright, yeah. Right here, so got these 3 wires here. One of these I think is the ground. Green is the ground wire. So if you can, I don't know if you can see here, but the green label in the middle here is the ground wire. So yeah, we'll get that put on. It's so freaking cold in here. Okay. Split this line too. So I got the the ground kicking in here. I guess it's probably about minus 12 right now. It's the wind chill. It's about minus 18. So, okay, we got the ground in. Now we just got to get this bad boy in. A few more. Hook it there. Oh. God. There we go. There. Hey, when it's cold outside, I have more motivation. Look at that. I'm freezing my fingies off here. I should have done this back in October or even November when it was warm, and not doing it in the freaking January. Okay. There we go. And one more cord, put it back together, and yeah. All right, we're getting there. We're getting there, boys. We're getting there. Oh, maybe I won't have to roll this one up. Maybe. All right. Well, yeah. Well, might not have to. This guy. Roll that. Holy. All right, boys. We're getting there. We're getting there. Have a little hook in her, and. Alright, don't you move on me, you bastard. Alright. Alright, so we're back here. So my battery died yesterday and I totally chotched it here. I bought the wrong plug for it, so now I bought the actual real plug here. Here we go. This is the right one in that, so uninstall her again. Oh yeah, and you can use a star or a flathead screwdriver if you want. Yeah. And it's not as cold today as it was yesterday doing this, as there's no wind. Wind makes a difference. So this is the difference between this. So this is the one I chotched on, so this doesn't work very well, as you can see. That's facing the wrong way versus these guys here. So see, I don't know if you guys can see the difference between the two. Yeah, I chotched that. I bought the wrong one. So this is the right plug right here. Oh yeah, reminder, make sure you put this on first before you put this on, just to make sure of that. Okay. loosen these up here. So you see, green's ground. Might have to open that up a little bit more. There we go. Shut that in there. And we got the ground in. All right, we got the ground out. All right, that's one in. This one's a lot easier than that other plug, that's for sure. There. And one more wire. Hoping this phone doesn't die on me. Well, at least it's like I said, there's no cold wind blowing on it right now. This guy. All right. Make sure these are get on nice and tight. There we are. Now that. All right, so I'm just screwing this in now. All right, put the backing on here, and yeah. Good day.
Good.
Yeah, I just, well, the funny thing is I bought the wrong plug, or because you can see it's sideways here.
Yeah, yeah, I know.
Yeah, oh yeah. Now there you see, it's on now, and yeah. So yeah, I hope you find this video a little helpful. If you ever replace your block heater or battery warmer plug, if you happen to rip off or corrode it and stuff, there's the thing to do. And these are the most common plugs to use in Saskatchewan here. So yeah, hope you enjoy this. See you in the next video.